Hey friends, if you encounter remote procedure called high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a DISM scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. And then you can use the DISM restore health command, which is DISM space forward slash online space cleanup hyphen image space forward slash restore health. So I'll hit this command. I'll tell you what the DISM scan does. It will repair the system image by after pulling up the files from the internet. So you need to have an internet connection for that. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and select update drivers. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network update troubleshooter. The next solution will be to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And then the last option is a cloud reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.